In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable web browsing in Claude I. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to phrase your request so Claude can look things up on the live web and bring you current, cited information. First, open Claude in your browser. When the page loads, you'll land on your recent conversations. This is the home base where you can jump back into any ongoing thread or start fresh. If you already have a conversation where you want to enable browsing, go ahead and open that chat. If you prefer a clean slate, start a new one so your research stays organized. To begin a fresh conversation, click New Chat. This opens the message area where you'll type your prompt. From here, you need to make the web tools visible. Look for the small plus icon near the message box. Clicking this expands the Tools menu that lets Claude use additional capabilities for the next message you send. In the Tools menu, select Web Search. This is what enables browsing. You're telling Claude it's allowed to reach out to the internet for this request, read pages and return summaries with links. If you don't see web search in the menu, it may be temporarily unavailable in your region or plan. Simply try again later or check account settings. Once selected, you should see an indicator showing that web access is on.